Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, I'm Justus, and this is all about aviation and automobile fun. Today, Maddie and I are gonna fly over to Naples for the Saturday market and to get some coffee in a Cessna 172. So let's go. What do you think, babe?
I'm nervous. It looks like it shouldn't be flight worthy.
All right, we made it into Naples. Maddie's a little tense. Muscles are a little sore, but what do you think?
It was good. I just don't like when you change elevation. That's scary to me. But I think I did good.
She actually did great. I was expecting her to be a lot more on edge, but she was very chill. I think it's because she had music, but
Yeah,
I could be wrong. I don't know. All right, now it's time to go find some coffee. All right, so we got a courtesy car, free car, no Uber.
We're on the pier, and half the pier is we be from here. Right?
So we're back on the ground. Maddie did the trip to Naples and back. The ride there was nice and cool in the morning, and the flight back was around like noon when it's about as hot as it can possibly be. And so it's a lot bumpier, right? Like,
A lot bumpier.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on aviation, please leave them in the comments section below. I'm happy to share more on my experience. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.